We will solve some example problems on conjunctions and disjunctions. Here we have a problem. This is the given question. Use the statements to write a compound statement for each conjunction. Then find the truth values. Explain your reasoning. Now the statements are P and Q. P is the figure is a trapezoid. Q says the figure has four congruent sides. Sorry, I missed R. R says that the figure has four right angles. First of all, let us. I hope you know what is a trapezoid. If you're confused with what exactly a trapezoid is, remember a triangle. Okay, a triangle is this. So trapezoid relates to triangle, but a half cut triangle. Only the base, the bottom of the triangle. Okay. Now this, can you see the bottom side? So the trapezoid is something like this. Okay. It depends if it's obtuse or acute. It varies, but it's similar to this. This is a trapezoid over here. Now, does it look like a trapezoid, the given figure? No, this is a square. This is false. It is wrong. But the figure has four congruent sides. Yes, absolutely. This is true. It has four congruent sides. It's mentioned over here with the dash lines. And the figure has four right angles. Yes, this is having four right angles, all are 90 degree. Now they have asked us P and, see, this is and R, conjunction symbol. What do we do now? You need to see the truth value of P. This is false. And what is the truth value of R? This is true. Now, when anything is false, when it's and the conjunction, it is always false. So the final answer will be false. Now let's see with the reasoning they have asked. So analyze the given statements. See, the P is false because it's not a trapezoid. R is true because it has four congruent sides. Sorry, this sorry. R, yes, figure has four right angles. And then write the truth value of the compound statement. It is P and R. Whenever one is false, then this will be false. It is false. That's the answer. Similarly, pause the video right now, look into the problem. Only this is the new part. So try solving it by yourself. I hope you have paused the video and tried this problem at least. Now let us see. Negation of P. See, we know that P is false. What is the negation of P? That would be true. And what about R over here? R is true. So now, and means conjunction means true, and true is true. So the final answer will be true. So now over here, because they asked reasoning, so negation of P is true as the figure is not a trapezoid. And R is true because it has four right angles. So the truth value for the compound statement, negation of P and R, which is true and true, is true. That is the answer. Similarly, we can write disjunction, but only thing is you should remember disjunction is true if any one of the statement is true. Okay, it's only false when both the statements are false. So now over here, look at this figure they have given, and the statement states A, B, C, and C, B, D are complementary. Now, A, B, C over here and C, B, D are complementary. Is it true? Now, many of us, even me personally, many times I used to get confused with complementary and supplementary. So, how do we break this confusion? Now, always remember, now I personally remember like this. Compliment is given like a praise or something when you do right, isn't it? Compliments are given to you when you do something good or right. So what is a right angle? Right angle is always 90 degree. So whenever I see compliment, I remember, oh, something is right. Right angle is 90 degrees. So it must be 90 degree. The sum of two angles must be 90 degree if they are complementary. What about supplementary? Supplementary is generally taking something extra, supplements to build body or something like that. It's something extra, or supplementation, adding something extra. So more than 90, that is 180. So 90 is always complementary. More, more than 90 is 180, that is supplementary. I hope this is clear. So this is how I remember. You can remember in any of your own ways, but please do remember what is supplementary and complementary. Sorry, complementary and supplementary. Now over here, A, B, C and C, B, D are 180 in total. They are supposed to be supplementary, not complementary. So this is false over here. And A, B, C and C, B, D are vertical angles. No, again it is false. Q is false. Why? Because vertical angles are like this, two straight lines. Now, these are not vertical angles. These are linear pair and they are supplementary. So now these two are vertical angles, this and this. What is the last one? AB and BD. Okay, AB and BD are congruent. Yes, they are congruent because they are mentioned over here. They are equal. So now then, what do we have to do? They have told us P or negation R. So what is P over here? P is false. So this is false. And over here, sorry, or. It's not and, my bad. It's disjunction. This is or. V means or. What is R? R is true, but negation of R will be again false. When two are false, only then this will be false. So over here you can see P is false, okay? Because it's not complementary, it's supplementary. And R over here is false. Sorry, negation R over here is false because the statement was true because they are congruent. And now the final condition over here, final question, P or negation R is false because both are false. In or statement, in or disjunction, both needs to be false to be false. So this is how we solve it. If you're getting confused, go back to the previous video. Over there, we saw the truth table. You know, disjunction, conjunction, negation. So that is very important. If you remember that table, then all these problems are very easy.